Well, like everybody, your home is your biggest investment, and it's a little bit older home, so it needed some maintenance and some love. The patio out back with the pool had sunk from years; it's 25 years old from compression and that. So we needed to get it repaired and lifted. I ended up getting 3 different bids, or tried to get 3 different bids. The first company that I called never returned my phone call. The second company, a locally known company, wanted $5,000, $5,500 to do the same job, and LRE Foundation came out and quoted me $1,500 or $1,600 for the same job. So it was pretty obvious based on the information I got from the estimator, and of course I looked at Yelp and looked at different reviews, and LRE really had some great reviews. And I kind of like to joke about, what do you guys do, your own reviews? Well, I know you don't do your own reviews, but they were very good. So I ended up going with LRE. And, just so anybody knows, if you go through the same process that I went through, I would highly recommend LRE because they did such a great job. And that would be for my best friend as well. So again, you do your due diligence with respect to getting different bids and everything and having it written out in a contract, but I wouldn't hesitate to use LRE again.